As long as your item has not shipped, you can request to cancel your order. We'll attempt to cancel your item as best we can, but submitting a cancellation request does not guarantee your item will be cancelled. And currently, you'll need to cancel each item separately. Here's how. Select My Account, then Order History and Reorder. If you are not signed in already, you'll be prompted to do so. Click Order Details next to the order containing the item you'd like to cancel. The Order Details page will appear. Click Cancel for the item you'd like to cancel. Click Cancel My Item in the Cancellation Request window. A pop-up window will appear and indicate we are attempting to cancel your order. Repeat the process for each item you'd like to cancel. A refund for the amount of the item will be issued to the payment method used. If payment was not taken, we will cancel the pending charge. You will receive an email with refund information. Your order history is then updated. You will receive 2 emails during the cancellation request process. One of these being important information about your order. This indicates we have received your cancellation request. The other being cancellation update. This indicates if the cancellation of your item was successful. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to being your #1 partner for business design and print.